Hi everyone, my name is Cayla Jones and I'm a museum educator here at Crystal Bridges. In today's video, I will show you how color and emotion work together. Today's project is inspired by Mark Rothko's painting called Number 210, Number 211, Orange. Before you start this art project, take a moment to think about how you're feeling. Are you feeling happy, sad, tired, mad? What oil pastel colors would you pick to represent the emotions you're feeling?
You can pause this video or scroll back to any step if you need to.
The materials you will need for this project are colored paper and oil pastels. Today I'm feeling a little scared and sad, so I've chosen to work mostly with green and blue. Also, I add a little bit of white in between to make those colors brighter. Once you've picked your colors, grab a piece of colored paper to use as your background. I'm going to use black squares to really make my colors pop. What color do you think would look good with the oil pastel colors you chose? Begin to color your paper with the oil pastels you chose. Try to keep your colors and shapes simple so that we can show how you feel. Mark Rothko kept his paintings really simple and abstract, meaning he thought more about the colors, shapes, and how the artwork made you feel, rather than trying to make it look like something you'd see in real life. While you're coloring, feel free to blend the colors with your fingers. This will give your artwork a more beautifully blended feeling, similar to how Rothko's paintings looked. Make as many tiny color and emotion artworks you'd like. When finished, put them together and admire your work. When you're finished, make sure to clean up your space and put unused art supplies into your My Museum kit. Thanks for making this project with us today.
With an adult's permission, take a photo or two of your completed art project and post it on social media with the hashtag MyMuseumKit. Enjoy exploring!